brother.
Whoa. Yes, man.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa. Yeah. Gotcha. Let's go with the man in black. Chelsea, bro.
You want a bucket?
Yeah, man.
Take one. Whatever chicken bucket.
Yeah, everything nice, everything sweet.
Give them a Christmas ball. You're merry, you're merry. Merry.
Yes, Miss Oka. Yeah. So you're not happy, yes.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love. Good morning. Welcome guys, welcome to another morning, welcome to another video. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night or morning, anywhere you are. Thank you so much. So please take the time and give the video a like, so you can like the video. If you like the program, please put the thumbs up. Right, so let's improve on the like in the video, so we can get more recognized in the algorithm. So the algorithm will help boost the channel, for it to reach the new audience. So the more we like the video, the more algorithm will recognize it, guys. So keep liking the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So today is another day. I'm right at iBus 5. iBus 5 is at 131 Orange Street, Upper Orange Street. Not downtown side, but uptown, up Orange Street, yeah. So I'm gonna get something quickly and then head into Trenchtown because I wanna head into Trenchtown because I wanna sort out those barrels that we got, so that's the mission. We're gonna try to get it across and see what else we can get done while we're there, same way, so there's a few things I need to get done, so. But guys, I'm telling you, this journey, it wasn't an easy journey, completing the World Chef project. It wasn't easy, as you can see, the ups and the downs. Bless you. As you can see, the ups and the downs going through that journey. It wasn't easy mentally, physically, so things take time, so I need to heal myself also, so I think it's time I need to think about, finally, so let us get something to eat before we really get into all of that right now. So aye.
Yes, brother.
Blessed.
Alright.
Artists. Say cutting up some balers. Alright, what we saying in Irish? Sit.
Give me one more herbal here. Just sit now. One more herbal here? Yeah, see money. Yeah.
Let me get one of the eye them as well to Ibo, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna feed.
Let me get a portion of the green plant now as well. Alright, some I want some of those fitters. Cause I go this weekend and come up. You come to the big buckle, do the bigger buckle them? The small one them. Guys, the fitters. Probably around now I come back for about 6 of them. Or 6. About 6 we do. It's an artist all as well. So this is my sip. So this is my sip, guys. The gum provides soup. You know, the gum provides soup. As usual with some fresh green plantain, frying coconut oil. So this is my sip with merengue on top of it. So I will have the sip before I have my burger and some plantain. I get one at Unison. I get one. We got 6. Somebody wants 6 I got. Oh. Cheers.
Full of alkaline, you can't eat anything. Shock your tongue.
This is the original pineapple. White one. Penguins. Alright guys, so you know when we get we have the fritters, which is the bitters. It's a bitter to the mouth but sweet to the belly. You know, so this is what cleans you out. Get out all of the parasite from inside of you. Remove all of the toxin. You know, this is what support the immune system. You know, to fight against inflammation as well too. So this improve your digestion as well too. So this also improve your ear growth. So this called fritters. So you can also get this at Ibo Spice as well too. Ibo, this is what 2 o'clock in the morning and 2 in the day. 9.
First thing and last.
Okay, so you can take 2 o'clock of this first thing in the morning, and when you go to your bed, 2 o'clock when you go into your bed. And this what cleans out everything. Now, so I got the noonie. So guys, most of you know what noonie is. So this is pure, 100% pure noonie. But also in the noonie, so we have scallion. Purple scallion, purple onion, parsley, and molasses and honey. So this is what inside the noonie as well too. Yeah, so you can also get at Ibo spice. And this one is the portal roots. Yeah. And the portal roots now you can also get this. This is also roots, you know, this sarsaparilla root, strong back, Indian weed, you know, dandelion root, china root. So this have a lot of things will give you a lot of energy as well. So when you drink this, you feel like running. Yeah man, pure energy, just like also the noonie. So if you come here to Jamaica, you need to take up some of these back home with you, especially this, you know, to wash out that you would definitely need it. Yeah, it's bitter to the mouth here, but you don't know it's sweet to the belly.
Man, I tell me, say them see such man for your girl.
Yeah. So see there, I'm loaded with my bitters. So I got some bitters, the ported roots, and also the noonie. So I'm just stacking up these, you know, because this is good to have. Especially the bitters that clean you out, you know. So 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 in the evening, then you go into your bed. And this is it. So guys, I'm gonna head into trench run right now. And yes, I'm gonna have a noonie also.
Give him a sweet vibe, please.
The fever.
Walk on.
Yeah, but you walk as far as I get to the fever.
Don't know how to say that.
Fever.
They don't know. Or as a Jackson, they don't know who down the mic.
Yeah.
They're so living, you know.
Yeah.
One the other time,
Them not sick, them all have a little fever.
Alright. Get you that little cold.
Yeah. They're sick, them all have a little fever. Let's go should I walk all over here. happy. Oh, go on. Oh, go on. Oh, go on. Gotcha. Yes, guys, I'm back in Trench Town, as you can see. Time to go around through those barrels. Today is the day. Today is the day. We cannot wait anymore or any longer. Yo, Mr. Man. Oh, go on. Yo. One fabulous brothers. Big up. So come and talk about. Listen, General. Send on a window in here for us. In there, so. Lock up. Alright guys, so it is time. So what we're gonna do, we have 6 barrels, right? 6 barrels. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the barrels them, and kinda empty them out and just chop all in, because to do one, it's gonna take a lot more time, and we're not gonna know what to separate it from what, because we don't know what's inside of the barrel. So we got a big chop all in here. Very, very big one. So we're going to spread it out on the sidewalk here. And want to bring the barrels them out. I'll put a big stone on it. Setting a gun in the water. Take gun in the water. Boom. Pull up your side some more. So you stay up. Put a stone on it. Pull it up more, Rasta. So, pull it towards so you get out the wrinkle. Yeah, wrap it up a little bit. Alright guys, so 6 barrels to run through. Wow, 6 barrels right here. Esther, you ready? Okay. Alright, I'll go and bring out the barrel. You bring out the barrel then, no? You bring them. Eddie, are you okay? Oh, can I line them up on you, sir? Oh.
Exercise
Yeah. I eat that.
Is that right?
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 6. Yeah. Yeah, them one. Yeah? Yeah.
we put in one lesson there.
Watch out, that carrier come like it's a house. You can't, I want to go in here, so you have igloo, you have shoe stand, you have clothes stand. As an office, watch out now, covering, bag corner. No, sir. This is what?
Oh, you never get none of the weight name.
Eh? You have umbrella spot, you have for hat, you know, you have to keep cable, G's, you have igloo, you have boy, you know, what is that? Should have no space in the carrier. You see in the back seat. Eh? Oh gosh. Got the back seat. Seat covering, teddy bear, no sir. You see in the front seat. And your living room. Oh gosh. What you are going? Bunny is here. See, no sir. That carrier look like it have no space for sit down, not even for drive. What upon the gear? Nothing. Oh star. So car in a car, see me. License plate. Same license. Jesus Christ. Oh gosh. Same for the same. Eh? I don't know them. I don't know them. Oh, not in. I don't see.
Yeah, lights up with a tail.
No, sir. Well, Eddish make it look like we're not try. We're going to empty them out then. Yeah. So go and take out them things out of the barrel then.
Never get married in some no full barrel.
You never full barrel? Hello. Esther, what the lady name? The next barrel? Yeah. The name? What's your name? Get her name. Alright guys, so we have get her name, call her you know. So guys, so they get one more extra barrel over the weekend, you know, so Esther's gonna get the name of the person that sent the barrel. So we have 5 barrels from Miss Hope, you know, we have 5 barrels already from Miss Hope from the UK, you know, that sent, you know, for the team and anyone that can get from it. And then we got our next barrel from we don't fully have the name yet, so we're gonna get the name started out. Oh, I eat this, Esther. I eat this with the life jacket.
Yeah, 2 life in there. More them in there.
Oh, No.
Like, alright, that's when I go back. Oh. No more river, yes, sir?
Yeah. I don't know.
No more river.
Sea. The beach. No. Don't throw the package. I see some name behind them.
Pressure machine.
Go on. All is well?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, color.
The sheet I want to one of you one of me. This Damari. Pampas to a Damari and golden age and the baby golden age. And this he says to the money when them at work.
How are these? Sheet too? What the boom fire? Same as the boom?
No.
Oh, see there. Now we.
It's a clean.
So what? Kitchen.
Where's the money?
How much pampas are there?
Mommy.
Football 4.
No, me the outer road. Me never see any pass, mommy.
Yeah, you can put in a handbag there.
May I come there? They don't walk on.
Yeah. Boom, come off with the class, the ladies them deal with them thing, boom. Down.
Yeah, we that.
Yeah, we that shit. I said, alright, boom at that drop.
You want a bed in too? You want a bed in too?
Look like the baby one them. Look like a
No,
film.
that's a figure under your bottom and line up.
Are you right?
Yeah.
Ah, you can put bed in as well to film, because I want a different.
You wanna?
Big me right there. Big me right there.
Yeah. What's that? I shall work when I call me home now. You know, me never remember.
I thought what that the bedspread, the right?
Yeah. This?
No, that one the next one I thought, the big pot there.
Pampas.
A pampas that too?
Yeah. Yeah, big pampas. 3 pack of them.
Oh, what the key for in there, so? Chew it. Chew it, Jackson.
Bag. This put of bag.
Okay, so the Mary can get a bag then. So the rest now we can put it in there, so.
Where barrel? They go fill back the barrel, no? No, just throw them back down in there.
You get her? Okay.
Okay, so anybody wants to someone there? Okay.
Groya, yeah. How much Groya get from pasta?
pink one. Oh, the beans, oh, the black beans are from PSC, right? Yeah, close to them.
You say black beans are me?
Yeah.
You know, you grow your hour large.
It's scary. Yeah, you know, I'm walking at the water across. It's scary.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this bar that we're going through right now is from ND, from Brooklyn, New York, you know. This bar is from ND, from Brooklyn, New York, you know. So we have some pampas as well too for the golden age and also for Damari. And we got some sheets as well too for the wow. You know, we got some individual stuff differently. We got gloves for the workman's them. You know, and we have some socks here and things. So and we have life jackets, so you know we can't drown.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So see there, life jacket, can't drown. That one can't drown. From ND. Okay, from ND. So the rest of stuff there now, so must.
Yeah, alright. He said these I can just give it to the owners or we told them.
What are these? Those little towels?
Yeah, towels. I take out one for Gloria already.
Okay.
And this is for the kitchen to say. You can give it to whole chef kitchen or the shop kitchen.
Alright, cover this one. Yeah? Those are some underwear. Underwear.
Kino, upon the man make you look like you're not try, brother.
You have to buy a two long bed for him. Yeah. Right, that then, right? Or from ND, so
ND from Brooklyn.
from Brooklyn. And what you say about these pajamas? Anybody?
Send me one.
Pajama. It's a ladies though, right?
Yeah.
A ladies. You want one? It's a ladies. Maybe that can fit you. Ladies.
You never see a baggy with your shoe. Baggy.
Underpants them, what them they, what size them there? What them are short, Mr. Boomer look for shorts.
Baggy. Look at girl. It's a send her up. Fast for me.
What size shorts in there?
Medium. What should I smile?
See.
See, what's up, Bob? Can't bother.
Alright, so we can just give up them, alright? Yeah.
Wash it, I want underpants too.
Underpants with a
You know what,
shorts.
white shorts? You want some of these? White shorts?
Wow.
White shorts.
White
shorts.
Underpants. Underpants.
Let me see. I could just get them out of the way then.
One bird
So long. I can chew the phone call. With them, I wouldn't need no phone call. I would just run through them. Yeah. Eh? Wax. Get a shot here from ND.
Yeah, man, I talk about man. Loan sports here, that. Thanks and praise here, that. Man, a blessing.
What else there? Socks. Them are small. Eh? What for your kitchen?
See them there.
Kitchen there, man?
No, Toby, like with them here, as I said.
Eh?
Yeah, the big one.
I'm not phone time yet. I'm not phone time yet.
Come in chunks. Go boss chunks.
Yeah, man, first, no man, idea, man, kill, man, yeah, man, all of the donors, them, man, again, man, dig up on thanks, many thanks, man, I don't just get to know that a face are still, but yeah, we have to give thanks to anything one can send come, cause we really and truly appreciate it, really, you know.
So her name is ND.
Yeah, man, ND, yeah, man, enough respect every time, you see me, I say, yeah, man, 30 grand this man, you hear that, out there.
On the pants them down the side.
Who get socks already? Eh? On for them socks. Oh, them socks are boom. Oh, them have a circulation. We will turn that barrel. Yeah. We will turn that barrel. Yeah. Let's bring company inside one today.
Move your phone,
I won't. Just
Oh, the winner gone, so the winner's winning.
so these bars, no, next 5 bars are gonna run shoes from Miss Hope from the UK. Miss Hope from the UK.
Christmas come early.
Very early.
Wow, baby, my pot said. Christmas come early. I'm a birthday. Watch one and two and all. Probably somebody
A booty. It's our basket. Close basket. More baskets. The
like the other box.
No,
for this.
Red carpet.
And inside the basket now.
Wow! Red carpet, come. What size are we are? Oh, your birthday, so it's a birthday tomorrow. Kalisa one next year. Kalisa one next year.
Fire girl, come now.
We are doing it.
Let's throw them out now.
You want my size.
The fire size.
This is 5. This is my Let's see what this is. Show it. Let's show it. You know, but one of the see what's the back cover here. One marine and a shark. See them.
One side.
I'm not enough sat back. Oh, this is the bag for you. Grass bag.
Yeah, show it to her white.
Right? The laundry bag. No spin.
Alright, so yeah, tray, one tray. Oh, what is kitchen?
You know, after the every do to spread them. Yeah, hold on line. Where the man them don't come run another one?
Well,
Man them there come.
another barrel. So, it's a tools.
Yeah, tools. I'm going to move that.
Tool set.
It's lock up.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Okay, I don't say I'm home. Yes,
Pop up to barrel, man.
Yeah, roll contact those food. Not me not try it.
Oh, you forgot to hear one.
Don't. You can't do. You over this a bit. We're trying to just pack them over there. Stabilize. Big. No one. This one. No, you have to lift this so. Oh, more something here. Just. There's no grip.
Yeah. One more, roll another.
I dream this.
Or some. Yeah.
Hey, who did love them up like me? Yeah, when you have a school sauce here. Yes, sir. Name of my friend Ken.
Can I manage? Chunks, come expert for this.
This is the one that everyone, you know.
And I read it on a shirt like this.
Pop, move. Find a dark space. Alright guys, so these bars from Miss Hope, you know, we got 5 bars, 5 bars from Miss Hope, so but also 1 bar is basically with some kid stuff as well too. And we're gonna make sure we take out some stuff for cranberry and the kids them up there. You know, we're gonna make sure we do that also. We're gonna wait. So just like we did the last time. Cool. So we're not in a too much tussle again, right?
I
So,
can't drug star them answer. Female.
so this is another barrel with some slippers and stuff. Slippers and some stuff. Esther, I'll make pick out some stuff for cranberry them. Yeah, because look, that barrel was just empty. Here, kid stuff. Yeah.
The pen to them pointed man. Alright, put the pen to them one second.
And shine it. You know what I want to the black bag them when they give me one day. You still have more? Cola man. Ushpa. Alright.
Put the pen to them one side. Now
Yeah.
pack it up in a one. Yeah, make it Carissa them man.
Miss Hope, you know. Yo, I could thank Miss Hope for this bar as well too. Miss Hope from the UK. Come.
Miss Hope from the UK, big up yourself and more blessing and more prosperity. Thank you for this, you know. We see Christmas already, you see it. Just bless up on yourself and big up on yourself.
Alright, come in, Miss Hope, Miss Hope.
Hope from the UK. May your food basket never empty and never run dry. Thank you very much for this basket.
Miss Hope.
Miss Hope, more blessings. Heart of love to you. May your food basket never empty. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Alright, it's Sparks. So Miss Hope.
Miss Hope, you give yourself and bless yourself, man. We give thanks everything we provide here. Thank you for the support, because we really appreciate it. You understand? More blessing. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Alright.
Yeah, man, Miss Hope, man. Yeah, man. A whole heap of people here make right now feel happy in the Christmas here right now. Yeah, tell them Miss Hope, they never know. It's a great feeling for the people, them, you know? Yeah, so we love that little gathering and that little thing I want to go on with the Trenchtown and the youth them in the place. So big up, enough respect. We appreciate everything we want to do and what we're going to do again. So you know how it stands. Yeah, man. No flow.
Chips, so big up Miss Hope and ND.
Big up Miss Hope and ND. When God a move, you know God a move. You see the building itself, nothing wrong with the people. The building and just the people them. Just love and unity. It trench town. Anywhere you go. Where you see
baby.
Where you go, where you see anywhere you go, I just love. Love round the earth. Love mash up every evil, everything. Bless up with yourself. God now left your food basket empty.
Yeah, alright. Jackson.
Tell me much over here,
Miss Hope.
So be a nice. Yes, but be a nice is Miss Hope. Be a nice. You got a dream team there. Yeah. You know they are alive. Yeah. Everything nice, everything sweet.
Give them a Christmas ball. You're merry. Yes,
Miss Hope. Yes, that's what I talk about ND. Yeah, man, Miss Hope. Yeah, man.
Oh, Miss Hope and ND.
Miss Hope and ND, you look up at them hope and give me hope too. So blessed and one love. Thanks.
Alright, so give thanks. Your turn, come say thank you, Miss Hope.
Thank you, Miss Hope.
And ND. Says come, say the Lord is my shepherd, come.
Lord is my shepherd.
Stand up now, come, say it.
Lord is my shepherd.
Go on now, you finish? Keep finishing. Alright, and so we give thanks to Miss Hope and also ND. You know, we're thanking you so much, you know, for this wonderful gift, you know, for everyone to get for them Christmas. So everyone Christmas is really, really merry. I'm gonna tell you, say it's nothing but love, because if it wasn't for love, the support that we've been getting, trust me, it wouldn't been happening. You know, we're thanking you so much. You know, we cannot stop thanking you more and more. So Miss Hope, you know, from the UK, thank you so much, and ND from Brooklyn. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone. You know, we thank you so much. You know, so we're gonna make sure it reach who it reach. Because Miss Hope the key, you know what's best. So let's do the right thing. You know, and let's give who we can give. You know, make everyone have a Merry Christmas from Miss Hope. I will thank her so much. You know, so right now we have some stuff here. So Esther, you have to go leave that till later, because that'll take you too much time.
Rocket fire. See there?
Yeah, I gotta get that slippers a while ago.
No, I'm gonna take it home.
Okay. So this is another.
Put it in our bag over there. Bag over there, so.
Whoa.
1, 2, 1, 2, yeah. 1, 2.
I thought for a kitchen?
Yeah, most likely, yeah.
Toolbox. Any tools, put them one side. Turn.
Anyway, you put them one side.
Come on, them in a kitchen. A kitchen this one. The can work for them. It's gonna be a long day today, boy. What time is it? Yes, sir. The black bag them go.
Give over, go.
Let's leave it
No,
alone.
from do this to say good. No, may I fix it, man. This section I don't want to put on this. No. Once the foot firm, the foot catch and firm. The foundation, so. Give me that something there. Mommy?
Pack up them there. Make me pack. You make sure pack up them on one side.
I didn't make it.
So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna prepare our barrel. I've got some ties, books, and books. So we're gonna literally prepare these for like from now. Put them away for when we're doing the treat for the kids. Them.
2-5.
So this is when we're gonna do the treat for the kids. Them. So we're gonna make sure we start to prepare the barrels them for the back to school treat for the new year. Can't fit one of them. Like Coco Loco. Oh. Baby, them I can get out. Them have a toothbrush. You put them in there? Yeah. Yeah, man.
Thanks.
The juice. She put them in them.
Yeah. Hello?
What's your name? Coco Wallet Boy.
You got baby?
Yeah. Diamond.
Yeah, that one for the younger baby. Yeah. This man take out anything for Dreamer as well?
I'm not taking more for Jimmy.
What's up for Dreamy? Yeah, pack for Shannon.
I'm start talk about.
So Shannon, how you start them out?
Yeah, then we start.
Yeah.
Flavor. Yeah. We just
look like a wash.
Yeah, Joe made order for.
Copy the same one back.
Copy.
Want to pick them again? Team Cell? I pick them back to them.
Give me one thing.
No.
You know, give up 10 times.
If you were the dentist,
I'm back here, they'll pick them back here.
Give me a spoon something now. I think maybe
Yeah.
What's your cup?
Let me tell you, that's I'm taking this and put it one side. Put it where I drum. Mama size ya. Let me mama size. Oh, you know. See mama ya, come now. Mama come.
On your wicked to mama.
Mama no vex with me now.
Yes, I'll be close to me.
Yeah, my baby.
Mama back for top.
This is mama side. This is mama side.
The back,
Look for it, not fine. Girl suit. Take it and look for it big for two.
Jackson, pull that bag there. Pull that bag there, see what I
Man shot.
I'll take the first one.
A shot, sir?
Kneeling shots.
Alright, so how much, man? How much? On the side. So these are books for the treat as well too. Pants. Put the pants over there, so.
What the pants?
Esther, give
Why? This like baby now. One thing. No more barrel done? Yeah.
Pants. Put over there, sir.
Dream girl,
No, that must say. On the waist, sorry.
It says it on the waist already. On the paper. This can't be the mother, yeah. She says it on the large, extra large.
Jack, sir. Shots, then. Baby, how much pants I get there, sir, baby? Yeah.
No, see them there right here, put there, so. When you pass it back there.
10. You want a bucket?
Yeah, man.
Take one, no? What chicken body?
No, that's fine, Ganda.
For your ladies and kids. Check on this one.
Bring them in.
One is right in my mother.
Drop them in this. Yeah. Not necessarily, but let's give them 1-1. Yeah. Let's give them 1-1. So I know if you give us it, somebody says, I want something. And this can use season, whatever the man does. So it's a choice. Yeah. You want bucket or that we get? No other one.
I just one.
Them one of them macaroni. You know. Because they may have to show for the man, yeah. And they will come to the man.
No. Put them in. I foolishly say I ask, I'm going to answer you.
Well, they get that. One left. One more left.
Yeah.
Mama, move. Go there, Mama.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pause some of the stuff then, you know. so we can give them out to other people in the community. You know, so we're gonna pass some stuff. Put that cover there on it for me. Well, take out what put it on there. So now years. Put them over there. Smiley. Put them over there. Chips, if you can't say anything in a while, we're taking out chips. If you say anything that will fit you.
This can't fit you?
Call it? Because listen, it's my right. Say people will get what here, them are supposed to get again. You see me? If I get people whenever that can.
You want that?
None of your stars are the purple, they are 13. And that's where that.
My head down in the barrel and me I take out because this come out I wear.
Look when you have please and you start on something to see
Let me see. Smile, let's see that slippers there, the brown one.
You know, that's what to say.
I will buy it.
And a 12 purple, I can't fit it. Ten.
USA.
10. See the UK 10 and USA 10. Hold on, it's too nice.
I'll be a shoe in there.
Listen up. I'll put him at the shoe. I can't fit it.
One of them birds, my sister come down with me, so we need to put it. Please give my earphone link. Give me earphone mate.
Yeah, Kalista. Kalista, see the friends. See the knees right there, so you can mind you. See the knees locked up. The knees locked. The knees locked.
That's it. Yeah?
Kevin McAdam. What are you don't say that. Oh, that's a woman's shoes. Woman take them out.
Kevin, they wear glasses.
Test glass.
Yeah.
Reading thing.
Yeah.
Pull you out like magnet. See that? Can you read that?
Yo! We can't make it where the thing there, where they covering there. The case.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm put it down, but I just put it down. It's alright, man.
The medicine in it heavy. First time you put it on, I say it's going to do it. No, man. If you don't dry your eye, and your eye.
Dry eye and a ear one.
You want to want? Yeah, come from the move, man.
Yeah.
Come on, choose this.
Yeah, at least I get something, right? At least I get something.
We got church.
Ready is. You don't think you're going to get here. That don't want to sit down.
Size skin.
Feel like a mama.
Size skin.
13.
13.
Oh yeah. What you heard from mine, you know? Yeah?
13. Yes, 13. Put on the glasses on there. You say 13.
12. Tap you want fancy there, Sophia, as well, you know.
Wow. Whoa.
That's for the kitchen. Yeah. If you want to pan the wall.
So much of something to make.
People, when you hang your clothes them as well to close the pain.
Screw this pan the wall. And you got this on pan.
Esther, tap it. Hold on, give me that. Painter. Put this in a towel. Freak. Come in a Jackson.
Yeah, Kino, give thanks and praise, you know?
Give thanks, Kino, you hear that? Dream team, one team, you hear that?
So, light parks them.
Sardine and rice I cooked last night in an hour.
Except if I get some bag, I'm going to some oil now. Smiley. We get some of this the plastic bag there. Share the island. Oh wait there, now bar, look at the bar, let's see.
Now back the bill there.
Miss Hope.
Miss Hope. What if I love now, Miss Hope?
Big up yourself, you know, Miss Hope. Don't know. From the painter, you see? Respect.
What if I respect, you know? Yeah, what if I respect, you know?
So you see, you have a grocery stand already thought with. Oh, can opener. Okay, can opener. I will put can opener there. Yes, open this. Open this. Yeah. Don't be a man. can opener. I don't know if you use the can opener, Jackson. I don't know if you use can opener.
Ask me. Ask me now. Ask me.
I don't know if you use it, man. So I'm gonna ask you.
Nothing but accident. The full ear head and the ear now. Make it when you do the brother with ear, a braid, but when you put it in, it is not solid like
Bob the Builder sweat.
Look at one.
Yeah.
Open it. Yes, everything I go for them. Therapy.
Therapy.
Oh.
Khaki good cause yeah.
What I want to
Pass.
I'm asking on it. Yes, sir.
Aubrey, I get you. Aubrey and Avery.
You're nervous?
Bob, see, there are people that want to people then.
One by two, I didn't know if she was sick to wake over.
Well, let's shine back here. Evo. Push it down. Push it down. You have to push it down.
Can't push down. I forgot.
Well, can't push down, man. You push it down, you know.
That's the blade. You don't get a back now.
No one aisle. I get it. Pass on the back. Baby, pass on the back. No, just use chunks. You need one buckle. Share one for Yanni. Baby, pass on one more buckle for me there, please. Small one. Go for them.
No one they can go on one.
Oh man, I say
You must creep on the wall. They put them on the ear something drop off. I think this is the corner one.
Watch it. Take time. You must come. Go stand in the sea. Karachi.
From there, so yeah,
I'm going to
Wait.
beer buckle this with aisle.
You know what? Are you nervous? What are you?
Bus terminus.
How are you?
Baby, if you talk, the buckle vibrate. So don't talk.
Don't with me. Watch out, people, keen up. Watch out.
Yeah, 3 feet.
So me end up with 2.
Tell them, man. When people talk, the thing vibrate, you know?
I'm not talking how much there. I'm not talking in that shit way.
No. Mommy.
Yes? Wait for us.
Did you get your sign already? Eh?
Yeah.
Now your name bigger curry, you know say.
Eh?
You know the first time them like them
Yeah, man, them, I got be for them when them come. But the gadget them?
they like play and
Yeah, so I wait for them to come, because if I want them to them come and them can't reach.
Whoa. Stop that, no, man.
Eh?
Whoa.
What go on? Eh?
They carry it.
Oh,
Go put it on your set in
you go for my car too as well. To my car up 5th Street.
Up 5th Street.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't just put it in your car till you come down, you know.
Okay.
And just lock it up till already, you know.
Yeah. You talk about me if you go for my car. Don't wash long time. Hey. Wow. Come for them, yeah. If you go for my car.
Sorry, if I get a something.
Hold on.
Whoa. Yes, man.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah. Gotcha. Let's go get the man in black. Chelsea blue. Whoa.
Yeah. Well, I did it. Not coming.
Let me come, man. Hold man.
Barney, what else was there? Barney. So was it? It's another one. It's not fish. So guys, I'm sharing some for the members then now. Now teacher, come look in here, so throw some things in here, so.
Oh, the salmon
See.
Settle, USA. And UK style. Where in the US? Eh?
We have some we have the islands as well, you know. Now, could you show us some woman thing over here to where for you? You know, see them? No, that is another. Natisha, something exactly where for you would show over here. Eh? Big.
Shop it down in the can there.
Take it in.
You take it in, man. After my shop it in, that's it.
Take it in, man.
Remember my birthday in here, remember my son down my birthday, yeah? Remember my son down my birthday, yeah?
Anna pants was there, so they get Anna pants too. Tapi they get Anna pants. Jella. Yeah, this can't be done.
Oh, video.
Jella, are you size that? The crooks. On the top, you know, so I will show them size that too. Small. Small. First preference, you know what I'm saying? Barney, the pants I can't fit you. Not working. Let me see it. Well, I know. You like the shirt that you want? Oh. I won't have far with it.
Can I try that shoes?
That's one of my It
come with a
I wear that t-shirt. Yes, I do.
The shoes was just right here.
Not trying to fit you, that can't fit you.
Behind, you know. The rubbish bag, you pick up the rubbish, them, put them in the bag,
Everything good, man. Come on.
Yeah, one of them
whoa, Barney, follow me. See the man who the shade of rice between
Which one them?
who was just come. Whoa, can't tell you the shade of rice between them. Whoa.
The kitchen thing, them are here.
Mr. Guy.
Jella, let me get some of the rice too. Lady, it's Jella as well. No. Pajama.
Hey, I don't want to give me.
Oh, I said one.
Give me, I don't want
That done is finished.
Check wall chef. Yes. Jella, get our pasta. The Jella one. Eh? Yeah. Bring that and shot.
Now you shot that out.
Yeah. Put that in there.
What is the key?
To the island, I want to share this. I'm going to share this. They want to go share. Jella, I want to go share the ice. Pull her back there and share it in the shop. I would never get no pants.
Who don't want look for inside.
Shut
If it's short,
You're a team.
want a pants to work.
They don't like the love short things and tight things. And
Short.
I choked again. Choked. Tell you already, you know.
Civilized.
Let me tell you something now.
Alright guys, so you know that was the mission. As I see, it was bright day, now it's become night, so you know everyone got something, you know, all the members them, you know, like themselves, everybody gets something this time, but we'll leave some more stuff, you know, for give out for next time, you know, because we couldn't do everything today, trust me. To be honest, I am feeling overwhelmed. I'm getting tired. I can feel it literally that I'm really getting tired now. Yeah, I need to find some rest time for myself, to be honest. No joke, so stay tuned. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.